again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. Just a quick one today. So I have got November Gelbox. I am late getting this out, but it is still available on the website. I've just checked. So the theme for this box this month is Mob Wife, so I'm excited to see what's inside this. I have got a discount code. I'll leave it below with a link to the website. For anybody that is new, Gelbox are a UK brand, but they do ship worldwide, and you can subscribe for this box, and it does work out a little cheaper if you get it on a monthly subscription, or you can buy them as a one-off. They're just a gel box with 4 random gels normally every month, and they always add a couple of little added extras. Hema-Free, fantastic quality gels, and wait and see the size of the bottles. Never seen gel bottles this big. Right, so let's get on with it. So this is how they come packaged. Let's have a look at the little leaflet this month. Oh, definitely getting Mob Wife vibes from that. We've got leopard print. Love it. So it says, hi jellies, for November's gel box, get ready to join an exclusive secret meeting with a true mob wife. Dress to impress and make sure your nails scream girl boss, because this month it's all about power, confidence and attitude. Don't worry, Gelbox has got you covered with everything you need to make a statement, except the cash. Hope you like our box. And this is from Virginia. This is the lady that owns the Gelbox brand. Love it. Right, so let's get on with it. So I'm just going to pull things out random. What are these? Oh, right, so we've got some little gold embellishments. So these are like little roses, aren't they? They're cute. Look at the detail on those little leaves. I'm not going to pull them out because you can see them. Really good detail. And they're not massive either. Oh, wow. Look, it's even got the thorns on the stem. Really, really detailed little embellishments they are. Cute. Oh, we've got some rings. Let's have a look. Right, we've got a snake ring. Love that. And then we've got, this is like an infinity. You know, the infinity sign kind of ring. Cute. And then this one has just kind of, I think it's just like little swirlies around the side of that one. I like them. Very nice. Right, what else have we got? Oh, we've got a glitter. Oh, so this is like an old gold. It's a gold, but it's like a really dark kind of old gold. M99. I don't know if it's a really dark gold or if it's got a bit of black mixed in with it. I think it's just a really, really dark gold. I like that. And these are teeny tiny hexes as well. So you could get away with just top coating over that, I think. Nice. We've got your regular nail file and cuticle oil. I like the packaging on this cuticle oil. Oh, what's this? Gradient powder. Oh, we've got some pigment powder. Let's have a look. Oh, there we are. Oh, right. Okay, so these are all kind of neutral toned down. A couple of neutral toned down colours, but then we've got like pastels. And it looks like they might have a little bit of a shimmer in them as well. Okay. Oh, gosh, look at all these. So it looks like there's one for every colour. I like that. And lastly, we have got the gels. So we'll just have a quick nosy, and I'm going to give them a swatch anyway. Oh, this looks like a kind of cherry red. Mafiosa. Then we've got maybe a brown. Family Secrets. And we've got a grey. Poker Night. And lastly, My Wife, My Witness. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, they're massive 20ml bottles, and they are all Hema-Free, which is fantastic. Right, let me clear my desk off and we'll get these swatched quickly. Right, so I'm just going to take these at random. We're going to start with Family Secrets. So yeah, it's just like a brown, isn't it? The coverage you get from these gels is fantastic. They paint on like a dream. If you're looking for a Hema-Free, really good quality gel to start collecting, this is a good option. They are fantastic. So my camera lighting is horrendous, so it is just like a brown. I'll try and fix my lighting for the end of the video so I can show you properly. Right, then we've got Pokerite. This looks like a grey. Oh, it looks like a really true kind of grey, a really good grey. Not too light, not too dark. I like it. And this is a really thin coat as well. Look at the coverage you get. They really are good quality. A little thick today because my room is very cold. See if I can sort this lighting out. Oh, I'm sick of my lighting. It's looking a bit blue, but it's not. It's a really, really true grey. Okay, let's get that in the lamp. Then we have got My Wife, My Witness. This looks like a bit of a nude. Oh, I like that colour. I do like these kind of colours. Very nice colour. I use these colours quite a lot as base colours. I like that. I do like that. And lastly we have got Mafiosa. Looks like a bit of a, yeah, bit of a kind of cherry red. These colours can be quite hit and miss, and they're always a little bit jelly like, but this is Gelbox, so fantastic quality and coverage as standard. Look at that. Yeah, it's like a red with a hint of cherry. Beautiful cherry red. I do like that. So there we go guys, I've fixed my lighting to give you more of a true kind of likeness. The brown I'd say is a little bit lighter off camera than what the camera's showing. It is a little bit lighter than that. I love that cherry red. One coat as well. These kind of colours are notorious for being jelly like and transparent. Look at this for one coat. Absolutely fantastic, all of them. I love this nude pink. Nice grey as well. Very nice colours coming to the end of autumn, going into winter season. Very nice colours. So a quick recap on everything that came in the box. So obviously we've got the 4 gels, and this month we got some pigment powders, your file and your cuticle oil. We got a glitter, some little rose embellishments. These are fantastic quality. The detail on them is unreal. Very nice. And we got some rings. That is it for today. I will leave my discount code and direct link down in my description box. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.